Hello, welcome. Funke Ayende here. Today we are going to be making a beautiful yarn flower bouquet from yarn. We're going to be using our yarn to make flower bouquet. The first thing we're going to do is to make yarn balls. Make yarn balls. In an earlier video, I showed you how to make yarn balls or pom-pom. Today I'm going to show you how to make pom-pom again, in case you've not watched the other video, and then we will now transform our pom-pom into a flower bouquet. Let's go. We'll be using yarn, any color of yarn you want to use. Then we'll be using the small cardboard and then scissors. Later on we'll be using a hot glue gun and wire to make our flowers. So let's get started. I'm going to begin by winding my yarn around my small cardboard paper, and I'll wind until it's full enough, then I'll cut it off. If you like, you can use one color of yarn, or you use more colors, maybe two or more. But I'm using one color. So after wrapping your yarn around your cardboard, then it's time to tie the center and remove the cardboard. So I'll be removing this cardboard, and at the same time I'll be passing a small length of yarn into the middle so I can tie it off. So let me pull out the cardboard, and then I tie the middle. Make sure it's tight enough. So after tying the middle, I'm going to go to the next step, which is cutting open the loops. I'm going to cut all these loops open all around. So after that, I'll be trimming my loop length to a shorter one. I'll be trimming around. And then I'll ensure that my loop length is equal all around my pom-pom. Ensure that your pom-pom is well rounded with equal loop length all around. You can see I'm having a fluffy pom-pom here already. Once I'm through with that stage, then I'll be forming my pom-pom into a flower. So to do that, I'm going to open any point in my pom-pom and apply my hot glue there, and then I grab my stem, insert the tip of it into the pom-pom and press it around with my palm, and I have my flower formed. So once I have enough of pom-pom flowers like this, you can make as many stems as you want, as full as you want your flower bouquet to be, and then you go to the next step, which is arranging your flower stems into a bouquet. So you just stack them together, arrange them well, and then you get wire and bind and insert into your flower vase. And that is what I have here. You can see my flower vase of pom-pom flowers. I hope you love this. Yeah, so subscribe to my channel so that you can get more videos coming up. Thank you. Funke Ayende signing off. Bye.